Got red and blue. Oh my god, they have little faces on them. And I'm gonna get bombarded. Yep. You guys don't get to get into the box yet. So, if your question was, do they learn what the box is? Here's your answer. Hey, we don't need it. What's up, guys? It's Jazz. Welcome back to the Neurodivergent Dog Trainer, and today we're going to be doing a sneak peek and look into the PupBox 5-month box. Now, you're going to notice I'm wearing the same thing as the 6-month box because I put this in my office and totally forgot it existed until they just ran out of treats. So, as you can see, they're going to help me open it. Now, I have looked in it. First thing is a new rope toy. You guys can't see it, but just slightly off camera. There's a rope toy. I love rope. Yeah. I also figured, different from the other reviews, I could actually show you guys how they first react to these instead of me trying to remember to film B-roll. Hi. Oh, this is gonna be a good tug toy. I like. Oh, hi, Merle. I like that this one has 2 loops so they both can play because they do play tug together. So, get it. There we go. Good. Good tug. You want to see what's next in there? So the next thing in here, and I'm not admitting how long it took me to figure out how to open this. No, ma'am. No sneak peeks. No sneak peeks. Is a water bottle for your puppies. So, it does not open from this end. This end stays together. That's all I'm going to tell you guys about how hard it was for me to figure this one out. They just took the rope over there and they're having a blast. So you fill this part up with water. It just unscrews. Fill it up. Screw it in. And squeeze to give them water. Oh, there's a little bit of glue on here I missed. No, sir. No sneaky peeks for you either. Put that on the box. And then it just collapses. Hooks back onto your bag. Yeah. When Dolly goes to work with me, her collapsible water bowl it works, but it's not great and I don't love it. So I'll definitely be switching to this because this is way more efficient. The next thing that we have in here is a new interactable toy, which I love these so much. So what I also do to these is I stick some of their food in it as well, help them realize that there's stuff in here to get out. So what this is, though, is it's like a little back to school thing, and it's a box of crayons. Oh, I did not get all of the plastic off. Leave it. Leave it to a puppy to find all of the little bits of plastic that you missed. So we've got red. Oh, all of these are in. You would think for the fact that I do powerlifting that breaking off little bits of plastic would be so easy. It's not. So we've got red and blue. Oh my god, they have little faces on them. That is freaking adorable. I could just get up and get the scissors, but I have your attention right here, so why would I do that? Those are the kibble I put in there, and then there's one extra little bit of plastic. I just dropped one. I will find that when I sweep after this. But looks like it is a little Zippy Paws brand. This might last a little while. That's pretty sturdy. But we've got yellow. That's orange. That is definitely orange. Got orange, blue, and red. And they have little smiley faces on them. That is adorable. Now, Dolly has been in a class that PetSmart has that's called Brain Games, which we will show off in a later video. But she has been working on a lot of new things. Merle is loving that rope toy. One of the things she's been working on is like figuring things out like this. So, take. So the first two things that we have in here are some new training treats. And these are absolutely tiny. I will put these on camera to show you guys just how small these actually are. I love that. I love small training treats. And then, I don't remember if this is a pig. There's some pretty good quality toys. Let me know if you guys would like, since we are getting towards 6 months of both PupBox and PupBox, if you guys would like a 6-month comparison of the two. And if you guys enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more neurodivergent based dog training and other dog things and neurodivergent things. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!